The Leakers.
If I want it, if I believe I can have it, then that's my reality. I'll attract it.
Everything I see made me everything I am.
The Los Angeles Lakers.
Everything I do, I'm a man behind mine. Throw your hands in the air. Stand behind mine. Everything I see made me everything I am. If you real as me, stand behind mine. Everything I do, I'm a man behind mine.
Yeah, visionary, the second coming of Rockefeller, resurrecting the real like holograms at Coachella from Maryland, where they throwing up signs like Helen Keller, cutting records like helicopter propellers that propel us to the sky. Why these motherfuckers wondering why we get high, never knowing I'ma be flowing to the day I die. Living like following my dreams. Everything ain't what it seems, everything ain't what it seems when you climbing to the top. Label asking for my album, the single ain't even dropped, but the fans anticipating greatness. Can't fuck with fakeness, rap hack until I die, that's where I'm finna take this. Visa motherfucker, let me get it right now, sorry for my lateness. I dedicate this to all the people that love to hate this. Never mistake this, I'm getting money but keep it real. Ain't got my eyes on the diamond like I'm a center field, motherfucker, how I feel.
Everything I see made me everything I am.
The Leakers.
The Los Angeles Lakers.
Everything I do, I'm a man behind mine. Throw your hands in the air. Stand behind mine. Everything I see made me everything I am. If you real as me, stand behind mine. Everything I do, I'm a man behind mine.
Still at the intro, my I'm trying to convince flow, getting it how I live through rhymes written with pencils, time stuck in an intern, dreaming of living better. I'm nagging the market, questions like how we get this cheddar, bread in its letters. If you don't give it up, I'm taking it. I'm in love, had a date with fate, now I'm facing it. Fuck niggas away from me, baby mother's wavering. Lil' mama like your son Holmes, just embrace the kid, cause I'll be here for a minute like I'm gone in 60 seconds. Every time you hear a record and it's great, think of me. How many songs they got sound the same? 53. Who don't say the game? Shit, that shouldn't be a mystery. We the plug, that's the team. Clean the guns, pack the beam in a scope by the bing, and they gone. All that weak shit exposed, get it buried, say the word, and I'm releasing the levy, finna flood the game.
Everything I see made me everything I am. Everything I do, I'm a man behind mine. Stand behind mine. Everything I see made me everything I am. If you real as me, stand behind mine. Everything I do, I'm a man behind mine.
Boy, I used to practice my autograph in class, nigga. I guess I always knew I would be that nigga. They want you to second guess, they want you to doubt. So we just became the kids that our parents warned us about.
Wanted to bounce from the crib soon as I graduated school. Was it shit else I could learn? I had to make my own rules. I hit the streets with them young mechanics that was holding them tools. You disrespect what's under they hoodie, you screwed, nigga, now move.
Now tell me who wanna fuck with us. Ask shit and pass it, fuck a Dutch. I smoke through the glass, then I'm up. I feel it in my chest, boy, ain't no stress. Boy, this is chess, motherfuck the rest. Two of the best from the west side.
Now let's ride down them Cali streets where them babies ain't nourished. Young niggas gon' ride cause them niggas got courage. Screaming for help but nobody's heard it. The streets ain't got service. Get rich or live trying, word to Curtis. I gotta flourish.
Man, I earned it, better learn it from my name down to the block. I'm a product of the IE, Blink 182 and Pac. And it ain't no kind of stop button. You'll fade back and you'll stop frontin' when you realize I die for this and you ain't ready to pop.
Off shots to take your shit to the top, so just let it go. See, I'm puffin' on medical. With your girl as my passenger, I advise you to let her go. Talking crazy, better back move. I'm holding paper like the backpacks do. Is BO Devil with the Rat Pack crew, nigga, what?
Everything I see made me everything I am.
Let it go, let it go.
Everything I do, I'm a man behind mine.
Built up, H87.
Stand behind mine.
Let's go.
Everything I see made me everything I am.
I told you, I eat a Maryland shit.
Stand behind mine. Everything I do, I'm a man behind mine.